Thank you for visiting WaterStickGrowSystem.com. It's Wednesday, May 15th, 2019, and it's that time of the year again. We're getting ready to put our tomato cages on the plants. I just wanted you to see what they look like before we put the cages on, and then you'll see when we put those 10-foot cages on what they look like afterwards. So hold on, and I'll be right back. Okay, we finally got our cages in, and we got our half-inch galvanized pipe in. And so we're all ready for summer now. The sooner you put in your cages and poles before they get big and bushy, the easier it's going to be. So don't let them get too big before you put the cages on them. But just wanted you to see it, and by sometime in July they'll be probably 2, 3, 4 feet above the top of these cages. So just wanted you to see what we're starting with, and then later on you'll get to see how big they actually get. So I'm going to give you a close-up view of it, so hold on. Okay, real quick, just wanted to show you the gardens. Alright, these are our tomato gardens. We've got our cages up, as you saw, and we have a mix of Park Swappers, Better Boys, Big Boys. These two are Super Sweet 100 cherry tomato plants because my wife likes those. And but this is what we have in the tomato garden this year. And I want you to see, you're looking at them right now. This is where they're going to be in a couple of months. They're going to be anywhere from 2 to 4.5 feet above these cages. So keep checking our website for updates on this garden and the garden we have over here. It's covered with shade cloths because I'm trying to protect my lettuce and my spinach from bolting, because we got a late start because of the weather and it's getting warmer, and I'm trying to keep my lettuce and spinach cool. So, but check our website, check out our books, the 20-foot tomato plant and the 20-foot tomato plant 2 at WaterStickGrowSystem.com. System works on everything. We have it on tomatoes here, we have it on peppers and spinach and lettuce and Swiss chard, and you can use it on just about any vegetable or flower. So visit our website, WaterStickGrowSystem.com. Come back and see us again. Thank you.